Hey everybody, working on some Algebra 2 here, end of the second topic, looking at the topic review. The way I would recommend using this is to do these before the exam. It gives you an idea if you know how to do the entire lesson. I believe this is numbered as 2.8.7. Find the vertex of the graph, keeping in mind here that we've got 4 parts to answer. Whew, rough. All right, so find the vertex of the graph of the quadratic function. So if I'm gonna look at this, there's different methods for this. You can do the vertex negative b over 2a to find it. You can do the graphing method to put it in that form. That's my preferred method. Negative x squared. If I'm going to take the negative out, this would be a 6x when it's distributed inside. We'll worry about that number on the end later. To put it in the perfect square form to find the vertex, if you remember, we take the 6 and divide it by a 3, which would give us a 2 there, 6 divided by 3. So x plus 2 quantity squared. Then I just look at what do I have right now and what do I need for the number on the end. I've got a 4 when I square that, but then the negative comes. So I've got a negative 4. If I look back at the original problem, I needed a negative 8. So a negative 4 and back up 4 more would give me my negative 8. So my vertex, when I look at these two, it's the opposite of this. So a negative 2 and the same sign as that, a negative 4. So let's go put that in and see how I did. I made a mistake, that's all right. Gives me another chance to learn or to go back and find my mistake and redo it to get it right. So let's see here. Get my right tool there. Get in that box and I need I said can't see it under those tools. Negative 2, negative 4, I believe it says. Let's see what we got. It says that's not right. And they recommend the other method. So I'm going to go back still. I'd like to figure out what I did wrong. I distributed this minus in here. That'd be a negative x squared. That'd be a minus 6x. That's what I needed. 6 divided by 3 is, oh, what am I doing? Not 6 divided by 3. There's my mistake. Silly rabbit. 6 divided by 2 is a 3. So I've got 3 squared then is 9, then put the negative on. So this is negative 9, and I needed a negative 8. So 8 plus 1. See how I said if I made a mistake, it just gives us a chance to learn. So yeah, I just did that on purpose. Yeah, we'll go with that. All right, so let's instead, the opposite of the 3, I didn't write that out. The opposite of my 3 right here would be a negative 3. And the opposite of this plus, or no, the same sign as the plus 1. So this would be a negative 3, positive 1 from a vertex. Let's try that one. Got such a mess there, it wouldn't surprise me if I still have it wrong. All right. That's all right. Made a mistake. Just be determined, go back and find it and correct it, and you get to learn from that. So let's see how it likes that one. Okay, so we've got that. Let's move on to the next part of the problem. Does the graph open upward or downward? Remember the coefficient on the x squared. In this case, we have that negative out there, so it opens downward. So that one's pretty easy. I don't think I can mess that one up. Pretty confident on that one. All right, and the next part of the question after that, find the y-intercept. And y-intercept is when x is 0. So whenever you're doing a y-intercept